8 natural ways to shrink the stomach. You want to lose weight but nothing works? Now get ready, because the suggestions we are about to give can help you lose weight without drugs or surgical procedures. These suggestions may look like nothing out of the ordinary. However, they can create tremendous change in the body. Now let's take a look at the suggestions that will shrink your stomach in a natural way. 1. Eat small portions frequently. Probably you heard this suggestion many times before. It's one of the most successful methods of weight loss. When you consume a 1500 calorie food in 5 sittings instead of 2. Because whenever you eat something, your digestion system starts working, which results in weight loss. Besides, there is a correlation between hunger and blood sugar balance. Eating small portions frequently keeps the blood sugar level balanced and suppresses the appetite. Moreover, it speeds up the metabolic rate, which facilitates weight loss. 2. Drink a glass of water before every meal. It's no surprise that people need to drink a moderate amount of water to maintain good health. However, drinking water before meals also helps you lose weight. That's because drinking water before meals creates a feeling of satiety and prevents overeating. 3. Stop calculating your calorie intake. We highly recommend you to stop calculating the calories you get after every meal. Instead, you can measure your meals by their size. A useful trick is to eat in bigger plates to make your meals look bigger. 4. Stay away from carbonated drinks. The stomach is a flexible organ that can get bigger over time. Faulty eating habits can enlarge the stomach. Drinking carbonated drinks is another habit that enlarges the size of your stomach. These drinks can damage the gastric mucosa and make you feel hungrier than usual. Drinking a glass of water instead of a carbonated drink is the healthier choice. 5. Establish an eating schedule. We advise you to eat meals while seated and in silence. This may sound surprising to you, but there are reasons for that. Talking during a meal fills the stomach with air, which is quite dangerous for the stomach. Eating while standing leads to excessive eating and indigestion. Moreover, it is advisable to keep away from television, computer, or phones during eating, because these devices create distraction, which leads to excessive eating. 6. Eat nuts before meals. Do you ever feel that you are still hungry and suddenly get bloated after a meal? Digestion is a long process and it takes some time for the fullness signal to reach the brain. If you eat 2 walnuts or 5 nuts or almonds before the meal, this signal reaches the brain much faster, so you can tell the time to stop eating. 7. Stay away from the shock diets. People who want to lose weight in a short period resort to shock diets. However, these diets are extremely unhealthy. Your body needs vitamins and minerals constantly. Starving yourself of eating only one type of food may inflict irreversible damage to the body. For example, low-fat consumption may result in skin problems, fatigue, osteoporosis, and hair loss. Also, a high-protein diet may harm the kidneys or the liver. Therefore, we recommend you to stay away from this kind of diets or detoxes. 8. Eat slowly and chew thoroughly. It takes approximately 20 minutes for the satiety signal to reach the brain. So if you eat fast and without chewing properly, you end up eating more than you need. We recommend anyone who wants to lose weight to focus only on the sensations of the food, chew slowly and thoroughly. Tips for healthy snacking. 3 dried apricots, 2 to 3 pieces of walnuts. 1 cup of yogurt, 10 to 15 pieces of blueberries. 1 cup of low-fat milk, 1 piece of fresh fruit. 2 pieces of breadsticks, 1 glass of ayran. Half of a bagel, 1 piece of cheese. 2 slices of bread, 1 slice of cottage cheese. Whole wheat toast with light cheese, sliced vegetables. 1 cup of fruit, 10 nuts. 3 pieces of diet biscuits, 1 cup of coffee with light milk. 1 glass of plain popcorn, 1 handful of raisins. A plate of 1 sliced cucumber or tomato, a slice of cheese and a slice of bread. 1 handful of roasted chickpeas, a glass of kefir. 5 pieces of dried prunes, 10 pieces of almonds.